Cloud gaming is an innovative technology that enables users to play their favorite games directly from the cloud, as opposed to downloading or using a gaming device or specific hardware. The majority of video games must be purchased on physical media or downloaded onto mobile phones, laptops, tablets, or gaming consoles. The downloaded or played game's quality and performance are optimized for each device. The execution of content is moved from the consumer's device to the cloud in cloud gaming. Players can stream and play games similar to how they stream and play videos on Netflix or Amazon. The games are streamed as frames of compressed video that respond to user input. When a user presses a button to make a character jump, the input is sent to a remote server that instructs the game to take action. The user is then sent a new video frame displaying the character jumping. In a fraction of a second, this information transfer and frame transition takes place. The game's final output resembles the appearance and feel of a game downloaded onto a device. Cloud gaming can provide a larger audience with fantastic gaming experiences. Those with device or hardware restrictions can also play the same games through the cloud with minimal latency. The value of the cloud gaming market is projected to reach $450 million by 2023, up from $45 million in 2017 according to industry analysts. Microsoft xCloud and Google Stadia are two of the best cloud gaming platforms. Google Stadia can be accessed on Chrome-enabled desktops and laptops, Pixel phones, and Chromecast Ultra dongles plugged into an HDMI port on a television. Microsoft xCloud is streamable on multiple devices, including mobile phones and low-power desktops. Similarly to online video streaming, you can stream high-resolution, resource-intensive games on your laptop or television. How can the transition to cloud gaming benefit the gaming industry? Consider the future of the gaming industry. The advantages of cloud gaming are outlined below. 6. Security. The user data for cloud gaming is stored on secure servers. The data is transferred via secure connections, eliminating the possibility of hacking. Since the game and user data are stored in the cloud, saving the data locally is not necessary. Since the data is secured, gamers can confidently play their games knowing that their private data is protected. 5. Compatibility. Even high-profile video games can be played on low-end devices due to the highly scalable cloud platforms. Users of gaming consoles and gaming devices were restricted in terms of processing power, graphics card capacity, and memory storage. Thanks to a cloud-based platform, users no longer have to be concerned about limitations and can enjoy an exceptional gaming experience. 4. Reduced expenses. Cost savings is one of the primary advantages of cloud gaming technology. Gaming in the cloud reduces the need for regular system updates. After purchasing gaming hardware, there is no need to worry about the future. Since the GPU is held remotely, it is not necessary to purchase new consoles every few years to enjoy improved game functionality. When the game provider upgrades the system, consumers can immediately begin using the new gaming platform. Users are not required to pay for individual game titles. Instead, they pay a subscription fee to gain access to a wide variety of games at a reduced price. 3. Stops piracy. The cloud servers are extremely secure, preventing piracy. The game's content is preserved by preventing any tampering with the game. 2. No device limitations. The majority of video games can only be played on particular game consoles or computers. They cannot be played on other devices, so they can only be enjoyed by those with access to those specific devices. With cloud gaming services, games are increasingly platform independent. 1. Variety of games. Cloud gaming enables users to access multiple games from a single location. They can enjoy the gaming experience because there are numerous titles to choose from. As more users gain access to their games, the developers earn more money. So are cloud-based games the future? Yes, cloud gaming is the future, but the transition will not be immediate or complete. They value latency and the overall gaming experience, so they continue to enjoy the gaming console experience. However, cloud gaming is the best option for casual gamers due to its many benefits. Cross-platform synchronization is the key feature that makes cloud gaming an attractive alternative to traditional gaming for users looking to make the switch. There are a variety of cloud solutions on the market that businesses can take advantage of. The cloud solutions can be customized based on requirements and budget, and they include public, hybrid, and private options. If you like this video, then feel free to smash the like button and subscribe to our channel.